During Prime Day 2024, Amazon ElastiCache handled more than a quadrillion requests in a single day, with peak performance exceeding 1 trillion requests per minute. That's the kind of scale that keeps developers up at night. Hi everyone, I'm Brooke. Today we're diving into Amazon ElastiCache, which recently announced support for valkey. If you're building high-performance applications or dealing with traffic spikes, you'll want to pay attention to this. Let's break down Amazon ElastiCache for valkey into 3 key areas. First up, technical specs. ElastiCache for valkey supports valkey version 7.2, an open-source, high-performance, key-value data store. It's important to note that valkey is stewarded by the Linux Foundation and supported by over 40 companies, including AWS. Now, let's talk about what makes ElastiCache for valkey stand out. First, it supports both serverless and node-based deployments, giving you flexibility in your architecture. Performance-wise, it's impressive. We're talking about scaling to 500 million requests per second on a single node-based cluster with microsecond read and write latency. Reliability is also a key focus. ElastiCache for valkey offers 99.99% availability, automatic scaling, and high availability with multi-AZ deployments. For those of you concerned about disaster recovery, it also supports cross-region replication, ensuring business continuity. 2. Performance and cost benefits. When it comes to performance and cost, ElastiCache for valkey brings some significant improvements to the table. On the pricing front, ElastiCache serverless for valkey is priced 33% lower than other supported engines. If you're looking at node-based clusters, you'll see 20% less cost than other supported engines. For those of you just starting out or working on smaller projects, here's some great news. The minimum data storage for serverless is now just 100 megabytes, down from 1 gigabyte with Redis OSS. You can get started for as low as $6 per month with serverless. 3. Developer experience. Now, let's talk about what this means for you as a developer. The good news is that ElastiCache for valkey maintains API compatibility with Redis OSS. In plain English, this means your existing code should work without modifications. There are a few other developer-friendly features worth mentioning. First, you can migrate from ElastiCache for Redis OSS with zero downtime. AWS has also introduced valkey-cli, an open-source client available for Java, Python, and Node.js with Go support in the works. This client is designed to improve reliability, especially during unplanned outages. Let's walk through setting up and using an ElastiCache for valkey instance. This process involves 4 main steps. First, we'll create a serverless cache. This command creates a valkey-compatible cache in your default VPC using the default security group. It automatically scales based on demand, so you don't need to worry about node sizes or cluster configurations. Next, we'll set up an EC2 instance in the same VPC as our cache. For this demo, we'll assume that's already done. 3. Now we need to install and set up the valkey CLI utility in our EC2 instance. Note that we're building with TLS support, which is required for ElastiCache serverless for valkey. 4. Finally, let's connect to our cache using the valkey CLI. Now that we're connected, let's create a hash object representing a car and retrieve specific fields. And this shows you valkey's compatibility with existing Redis OSS commands. Your current Redis OSS-based applications should work without changes. ElastiCache for valkey combines the familiarity of Redis OSS with performance improvements that can make a real difference in production environments. Whether you're handling massive traffic spikes like Prime Day or building real-time analytics systems, it's worth considering for your caching layer. If you're currently using ElastiCache for Redis OSS, you can upgrade to ElastiCache for valkey with no downtime. Plus, if you're using reserved nodes, you'll retain your existing discounted rates across all node sizes within the same family. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it performs for your use cases. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.